Welcome back to the Crypto Picture channel, where I help you see crypto through a clear lens. So today we're going to go over Bitcoin and Ethereum primarily. Going to leave this one fairly short as it was my little girl's birthday today, so I'm pretty worn out, but I just wanted to get a video out to you guys and just give you a little bit of an update as we are kind of consolidating at all-time highs here. I'm cautiously optimistic here. So I have taken cash out of my trading account, and I've also allocated some of my altcoin trades back into Bitcoin. So I did take profits on DOT. I took profits on Chainlink in my trading account. And I reallocated to Bitcoin and USD position. So we'll have to see how that goes. I am at the moment, as I said, cautiously optimistic. I do believe that we can go to new highs here. I definitely think that that is something that we have on the table or on the cards. I remain bullish, but I just wanted to take out, at least with my trading account, my initial investment from all my coins. So I've gone ahead and done that. As I said, right now it is good to see that we are consolidating at the highs here. The question is okay, do we get a retest of this level down here, which is confluent with 0.618, and it's also confluent with these consolidation ranges here, and that would be healthy, and you can't really complain with that. So we'll have to see what happens here over the next few days to a week. With the stock market remaining bullish, I am optimistic that Bitcoin will remain bullish as well. We'll just have to see how that goes, and I'll keep you guys up to date. But other than that, I mean, there's not much to go off of here. If you are significantly in profit, it's never a bad idea just to lock some gains in, especially as we start entering these like higher parabolic regions, right? Like if Bitcoin goes to $100,000, right? I'm leaving 100% gains on the table, but at this point, from what I've been able to pull out of my trading account, I've really been able to lock in pretty much my entire initial investment from the beginning of this bull market, and I think that's really important, especially for peace of mind. But I'm going to remain optimistic here, and we'll have to see what happens, and like I said, I'll keep you guys up to date with what's going on there. Ethereum is still caught within this kind of a bull flag formation here, so we'll have to see how this goes over the next few days. We are getting a green buy here on Cipher, which is always a decent sign, so that does look good. If we look at the Ethereum Bitcoin comparative, we are getting some snake eyes here. I mean, we got them here and we just got a tiny little bounce, but we'll have to see what happens there. I did want to pull up actually the Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's see, let's take a look here. So Bitcoin dominance coming back up to that trend line. We are getting a sell on the 6 hour, so we'll have to see how that goes. But I mean, Bitcoin did come back and retest this. The weekly is still showing downside here. See what the daily looks like. The daily is coming back into that buy zone. So if we start seeing Bitcoin closing weekly candles above here, I will close out probably the entirety of my trading account and lock it into Bitcoin and cash. Not saying it's going to happen, but always something to keep an eye on. And I've said this ever since back here. If we start getting weekly candle closes above this level, I will start to consider getting into some Bitcoin and cash. So again, I'll keep you updated with that. Dot here also showing us that a buy signal here on the 4 hour, which is a breath of fresh air. We came back down. We've been retesting this symmetrical triangle for a long period of time here, and it was starting to show some signs of weakness, but we did get bought back up. And if we just go to the regular candles here and see what's going on, so yeah, we did get a lot of bullish buyback in this area, so I would feel confident getting into or keeping my dot here. It does look good, so maybe this means that Bitcoin dominance will start to trend down versus these altcoins, so that'll be exciting to see, and we'll have to keep our eye on that. Then we have Bondly. Wow, it's up 34%. Now we are up 38%. I posted this in the Telegram group. I did move over to Discord just for organizational purposes, and I think it's a lot easier to look at than some of these other, or sorry, like Telegram, because I have like about 3 or 4 different groups I was managing. We have the stocks and commodities group, as well as a crypto update and analysis on a daily basis, essentially. And then I have a premium group and a discussions group. So with Discord, I'm able to consolidate all of that into one. So I will put the link for the Discord group down below this time around. If people are watching this and they're also into the traditional markets, I've been eyeing this planter one. I've heard from the grapevines and a lot of experienced investors in the traditional world that this is got some extraordinary tech. It's a big data play. It is a tech play. The market cap is 49 billion, so it is fairly high. But yeah, I heard this from an individual that I trust, and I think that they understand what this company is doing, and they're extremely bullish on it. And I also had confluence with another gentleman that I was speaking with that's also a fund manager. So yeah, I'm going to be looking at entering this one on a weekly here. It doesn't have enough data for Market Cipher as it just launched September 20, but yeah, this one's looking really good. We got a really nice buyback candle here. IPOs, I do like to get in after a 50% dip. So we had a 55% dip here, and since then we have been able to reclaim about 10% of that. So from the bottom, this is now a 32% rally, and it's confirming some really important market structure here. So yeah, I am pretty bullish on this one. As I said, I wanted to keep this video a little bit shorter today, so I'm going to leave it at that. But please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It's much appreciated. And I'll add the Discord link down below. I'll still be posting in both Telegram and Discord for the meantime, but eventually, once enough people switch over, I will be not posting, or I'll reduce my posting in the Telegram group. As once everybody is fully transitioned over, then I'll just be leaving Telegram altogether and just focusing on Discord. So I appreciate your guys' time, and have a good night. Cheers.